Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we will show you really quickly how you can zoom in as well as zoom out to your spreadsheets and documents on Google Sheets. So let us get started. Head over to your spreadsheet or document, and there are basically two different ways how you can use the zoom feature. For example, guys, you may, for instance, click on that arrow down icon next to 100% zoom here and select your zoom in or zoom out below, like for example zoom out. So to zoom out, choose 50%, let's say, for example, that will instantaneously zoom out. Or alternatively, guys, you may also select, for example, 125%, that will zoom into your spreadsheet or document. The other option, guys, would be to click on view here at the top, hover your mouse over zoom here, and again to select your custom zoom in or zoom out stage or level, like for example 90%, and so on and so forth. And that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.